Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Well, today I finally got my Ipsy, and I believe this is, even though it does feel a little bit heavy, I believe this is my glam bag. And so if you're interested in finding out what I got in my glam bag, stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, are you ready? Oh, you know, my glam bag is a little late this month. I know that you guys watched my glam bag plus, but this is my regular glam bag, and now I'm no longer getting the ultimate for the present time until they kind of get things right, because it was not really worth it. And since I get all three of the BoxyCharm, you know, I scoot it down to just two. Now, if I could, you know, get this right, I believe on the regular bag, you get to choose two products. Corey, did I get that right? Because I know that was corrected yet again by Corey and Dana, that it's three choices for the Glam Plus. And so I think I got it this time. This is two choices. I hope so. And so anyway, you know, I review all this stuff before I actually, you know, record. But then by the time I record, I'm like, what did it say? I can't remember now. It's just so much going on in my head. It's like, wow. Okay, so anyway, this bag, just the glam bag is $12 a month. And with the plus would be $25, and it's $35 for the ultimate. And I probably got that totally wrong, and it's probably like $50 or something like that. But anyway, I'll make corrections on the actual yeah. And this is very strange because look at this, how they came today. It's almost like, what is that about? It's definitely all circular, but why is it taped like that? I mean, I hope people didn't open it. I think it was open because look. It looks like somebody opened it and somebody shut it again. Okay, it is what it is. Okay, let's see what's in here. First of all, where is my card? Where is my card? What? No card? Okay. Who? Down here. Okay, it's inside the bag. Okay. And this time, be present is the actual motto of the month. And I think I told you guys my saying at the Ipsy Glam Plus opening, which is, you know, I want to remind you again, if you are depressed, you're living in your past. If you're anxious, you're living in a future. However, if you are content, you are living in a present. So always remember that. And always know that, you know, only constant in life is change. And embrace the change, regardless which way it's going, because it's never going to remain the same, you know. So, you know, this is what I learned, that some days, you know, you're the bug, other days you're the windshield, right? And so I just pray that every morning when I get up, I'm the windshield. But, you know, sometimes I end up being a bug. Hey, you know, it's life. So what can I say? So anyway, without further ado, let me see what I have here. And it does tell me the products that's inside. But again, there is prices on this one. That's so weird. On my other one, there was no prices. I wonder why that is. Okay, so let's get started. Happy, happy, joy, joy. You know, people are like mixed about this bag. I think I like this bag. It's really, you know, really simple. Is that the word? Yeah, simple. But, you know, it's like I like it. You know, this is fall. You know, the navy. This is camel. And you have the ivory beige. And this is like your basic base colors, right? So I like it. And you could use this and, you know, drop it into your purse after, you know, putting makeup in there and stuff. So anyway, so the first thing I'm going to look at is, this was not in the bag because it doesn't fit in there. And this was my choice, I remember. And this is the Moda, I think, right? Yeah, it is the Nars Cosmetics, a perfect 10 taper face brush. This super versatile makeup brush multitask almost as well as you do. The tapered tip makes it easy to buff your powder foundation all over, blend your blush and bronzer into your cheeks, and apply your contour and highlighter powder along the cheekbones. Tip: once a week, gently clean this brush with soap and warm water and lay it flat to dry. Oh, of course. And the retail price on this is $22. And I like how they kind of like, oh, that's weird. Look, watch this. I did that the other day. It kind of freaked me out. Look, it's like a porcupine. Anyway, so, okay. Oh, this is so nice. You know, I always love face brushes, and I don't really have a tons of, that's a lie. I do have tons of them. So, but I do like the Moda brushes. So I'm glad to get that, and I will keep it like that. And this was my choice. And next, you know, I think this was my add-on. I'm going to say this was my add-on. It's Goat Milk Condition and Restore Revitalize, and this is the Moisture Cream, and it's by Kate Somerville. And I think this was like an add-on, and they must have thrown it in my bag. That's weird. They usually send it separate, but yeah. And I really wanted this because I saw it in some of people's bags, and I didn't get it, so I bought it extra. So it's growing up with eczema. My mom would put goat's milk in my bath. Use this cream daily to help replenish and nourish skin. And so it is a goat milk moisturizer, and how to use: AM and PM, apply an even layer to clean skin, clinically tested to be safe for all sensitive skin. And so, which is nice because I love a simple, soothing moisturizer, because I do use Retin-A, and I use, you know, retinol products, and I also use glycolic acid, alpha hydroxy acid, you know, all those things are in my skincare either day or night. And so sometimes it does become a little bit, you know, not painful, but a little bit sensitive, right? And so I love a good moisturizer like this. And goat's milk, I know, is good moisturizer. You know what? I almost opened it. You know what? I'm not going to open it because I still have a lotion that I'm working on, and I don't want to start the clock by opening it, because I'm sure these are not going to be good for like forever here. Yeah, it's good for 12 months. Oh, it'll be well used. But yeah, and I really, 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 yeah, love this type of moisturizer. So, you know, you'll see it in my empties, and I'll talk to you about it once I go through all of the ones that, you know, I go through. So anyway, so opening the bag, and it does say Ipsy right there. You see? I love these bags. They're so cute. Okay, the first thing out of the bag is some kind of a moisturizer as well. And so this is the banana souffle moisture cream. I'll probably use this one first because it's small. So banana souffle, like smoothie for your skin. This banana, chia seed, and turmeric infused moisturizer resets and replenishes your skin for a healthy glow. The rich souffle-like texture is deeply hydrating, but doesn't feel thick or heavy on skin. A total win-win. Tip: dealing with dry, rough cuticles, massage them with teeny bit of this moisturizing cream. And so the retail price of this cream, if it was full size, is $39. But this is, of course, a deluxe sample. Okay, I will totally use it. I like it. I like it. And then next is, oh my God, is this tiny one? Look at this thing. What is that? Holy moly, this thing is like miniature. Are you kidding me? This is what I think it is, right? It's a concealer? Yeah, it's a concealer. You know what? Now they're getting ridiculous because, okay, this, okay, is what I got. This is my deluxe sample. But you know, the amount isn't that much of a difference. They just make it look like, I don't know. This is, whoa, what is going on here? I think it's, I need to silence my phone because I think it's my wildflower sending me messages. So, wow. But this is just adorably cute. Look at this. Yep, but it will get used because I have like tons of these things and, you know, I like it. So anyway, let me tell you about it. This is Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape, concealer in light medium. Stay up late, binge watching Netflix. Ooh, that sounds fun. Indulge in a 3 a.m. pizza. When you're Low on beauty sleep, this full coverage concealer is your go-to for instant bright, smooth, even tone under eye. The matte finish formula is blendable, buildable, and goes on without looking streaky or cakey. And yeah, I agree with that. And so yeah, it's welcome. And next I have, oh, this is the Ico mascara. And this will go into the giveaways right away because, again, I don't use non-waterproof mascara. So Ico mascara, it's called Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara in Carbon Black. Get all the drama of falsies, but none of the hassle with this lengthening and volumizing mascara. A few swipes coat lashes into Carbon Black pigments for crazy definition that lasts for hours without smudging or smearing. Tip. The guitar-shaped wand thickens, lengthens, curls, and adds major volume. And the retail price of this full price is $26. It's guitar-shaped? Really? Man, I want to see what it looks like. But that's okay. I don't want to waste it just because I want to see what the applicator looks like. Okay, the next thing is lip balm. Okay. Alrighty, so the lip balm that makes your lips look and taste juicy, we're here for it. This super moisturizer is made with nourishing coconut, shea, and coconut oils to make your lips soft, supple, and smooth. Plus, it has yummy scent that you won't be able to get enough of. So this is a full size, and the price is $4.99. And so, okay, I think that's that. So what did you think? I mean, let's kind of recap. I got the miniature Tarte concealer. I got the lip balm. I got my brush. I got the Ico. And I got the bag and the banana souffle. So, you know, $12 is not bad. I mean, just the brush itself, I think. Did I tell you how much this is about? Okay. Hold on. It is $22. So I think, yeah, I mean, just by getting this itself would be totally worth it. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers. So, that's it. And, you know, I hope you guys are having a good week. And I hope you guys had a good day. So, I hope to see you in my next video. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. And I do upload a video daily. I almost say almost daily. No, I do upload a video daily. But if you want to know when I upload, you got to ring that bell. So that way you get immediate notification when I do. And so, my beautiful wildflowers, remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.